Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this romantic oasis near Pistoia. Check it out! Bentornati! The property that we're going to see today is near Pistoia in a strategic position. It's only a couple of kilometers from Montecatini and Monsulmano Terme, which are renowned for their hot springs and spa centers. Also, it's only a 30-minute car drive from Florence, Lucca and Forte dei Marmi, one of the most exclusive beach locations in Tuscany. Before we start, let me just tell you how glad I am to show you this property. To my left is a private chapel that is dedicated to Saint Biagio and was built in the first half of the 1600s by the Ubaldini family. And we can still see today their family crests on both sides of the altar. It is dedicated to Saint Biagio and is still consecrated and used for private family ceremonies. Nel 1700 la proprietà passò alla famiglia dei Pitti, che era una delle famiglie nobili fiorentine più importanti dell'epoca. Walking through this garden is like walking through an Eden. It is made for leisurely strolls in the calm and privacy of your own home. The garden's layout was studied perfectly to give a nice flow, so even during the hot summer days, there's always a pleasant breeze passing through. Right in front of me is the olive grove from which the property makes its own olive oil. This bucolic statue garden, framed by secular trees, gives that extra touch of elegance to the property, which is embellished by lovely rose bushes. Before we go inside, let me tell you a little bit more about the property. It's 2,100 square meters and is composed of a private chapel, the main villa with 19 bedrooms and 23 bathrooms, and is surrounded by 5.5 hectares of land with 5,000 secular trees, a swimming pool, an olive grove, farmland, and a parking lot. For those of you who are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to see more videos like this one. Però ora andiamo! We are in the foyer of the main part of the villa, with its own sitting area that connects the kitchen, dining room, and external gazebo that we will see later on, and the living area. The villa has undergone an extensive and thorough renovation some years ago, maintaining the original details like the cotto floors. This lovely living room is connected to a guest bathroom, closet space, and a first dining room. I like how they maintain the original stone arch that frames the entrance. The dining room, with its gorgeous stone fireplace and lovely piano, has a very regal feel to it. In the middle of the room, this large wooden table can easily sit 10 people, which is ideal for dinner parties. From this room, we can have a direct access to the garden through this beautiful French window right behind me. But now, let's go and see the first floor. From the cotto tiles downstairs, now we have the wooden parquet on this floor. If one wanted, there is a possibility to divide each floor into single apartments. This is the kitchen on the first floor, which has a central island with beautiful marble countertop, illuminated by this lovely chandelier that brings your attention to the ceilings with painted details, original to the villa. From this room, we can access a large terrace with a calming view on the garden and an adjacent dining room area with a window onto the kitchen. Being well connected to the kitchen, you can have lovely lunches or dinners in the summertime also outside. What did I tell you? Isn't it peaceful? This elegant family room with light colors and a warm feeling has access to a TV room and a study, which has a very different style in respect to the rest of the house. This room is the connection with the bedroom area, where we have 3 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom. But let's go and see the master suite. The gold details and the fine finishes add that extra touch of luxury to this room. It has its own marble ensuite bathroom with shower, jacuzzi tub, and an access to a private terrace. I left the best for last, the dream of any woman, a walk-in closet. We are now in the kitchen, which has beautiful tile work on the floor, and the colors match the backsplash of the stove. The counters are all in marble, and this kitchen is worthy of a cook. It has any appliance you could ever need. It's well connected to the laundry room and the second dining room. The second dining room is cozier than the first. It has lovely tile floors and vaulted cotto ceilings. From here, we have a direct access to the outside. And if you don't feel like eating inside because it's a nice sunny day, you have this lovely gazebo with white romantic curtains, perfect to enjoy pleasant meals with your family surrounded by nature. We are now in the portion of villa dedicated to tourism. This external patio connects the club and the restaurant. You can really see the attention to detail in every aspect, both internally and externally. For example, these gorgeous marble and stone tables protected by the secular tree. If I could, I would never leave this place. It is so peaceful. But now let's go and check out the restaurant. The restaurant's kitchen is visible also from the outside thanks to this large glass door. It has a professional stainless steel kitchen with a cute backsplash of a collage of Vietri tiles. It is also well connected to an internal dining room area with beautiful floors, exposed beam ceilings, connected to the guest bathroom, and has access to the restaurant's external dining area. From this area, you can eat overlooking the swimming pool and La Campagna Toscana. It's adorned by these lovely chandeliers over the cotto floors. Right in front of me is a gazebo that connects to the swimming pool. The dining area continues also on this side of the restaurant. This space was made to entertain. It can host parties and events with up to 100 guests and has an adjacent lounge area. But now let's go and see the swimming pool. The swimming pool area is covered in travertine marble that with its light color gives elegance to the space and really brings out the green of the garden. There's an ample choice of gazebos to choose from. Also, this is the perfect space to host events such as buffets and aperitivi with your friends and family to enjoy the summer months. We are in the suite right above the restaurant. It has its own living area with many windows on both sides and bedroom with bathroom in yellow marble. I like how they maintain some of the original details like the brick walls and the exposed beam ceilings. If one wanted, they could connect the two floors, creating an independent guest house. But there's still so much more to see, so let's continue with the tour. We are now inside the club, which has its own private bar with beautiful stone walls and exposed wooden beam ceilings, which is connected to a multi-activity room. Here you can enjoy a nice chess game, read a book, and if you're hosting an event, you can set up the DJ and make this the disco room. And in the warmer months, you can be warmed up by this majestic fireplace. But now, let's go and see La Cantina, which is connected to the bar. From La Cantina, we have a direct access to the garage, and it has the perfect natural temperature to preserve wines. If interested, there's also the possibility to enlarge the estate by acquiring a vineyard. So you can produce your own wines and preserve them here. We're on the first floor of the Agriturismo that has 10 suites, each with its own living room and bathroom. Each suite has a living area, bedroom, and bathroom, even though there are some that have 2 bedrooms. Some of the rooms still have original details, for example, the door of the closet. If one wanted, each suite is equipped and ready to become an independent apartment. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our channel to see more videos like this one. Ciao!